Yeah. Oh, yes, this looks good. But just jump out. Oh, fuck. Okay, yes, I got my fucking gem. Oh, yes, not to jump down. Oh, fuck, I can't jump. I have to climb somehow. Hmm. Oh, shit.
Oh, let's shut the goes to Hyde.
You, you idiot. Ooh, a fan. I love fans. Let me get in. Yeah. Oh, terrific
What's
job!
right? They play too. Which makes
Oh, yeah, I love pickle, yeah.
I'm gonna rock it up.
You can do magic, you know shit. Oh, try that. Fuck.
Fuck.
What the fuck? Oh, what the hell, Scooby? No, why the fuck you still my ice cream?
Nice and
Okay, that
Hey,
dog is
what the
fucking
fuck's wrong with
weird.
your dog?
Oh, fuck him, though. I'm gonna put him down. They're gonna kill his ass. Oh, yeah. You're my friend.
Come on, gang, let's go get a fucking mystery machine.
I like
hate that.
pickles.
We need to get a new one. Shit.
I like this mystery machine, but why don't I hate it? It was only 2 weeks. It was AA Sports. And there's a slug monster. Yeah. You can't make that more.
Sounds like shit.
I see children.
Whoa, jeez, this place is
Oh,
fucking creepy.
yeah,
I
this
hate
place
it.
is creepy. Yeah, I hate this place. Fuck
I'm
me.
gonna have to.
Oh, get Scooby do this for me, please.
Driver's We'll find out. I have to do everything for you.
Hello there, dog.
What the fuck? I hate ghosts, you know.
Hey!
Especially when they're green with green hats and green clothes. What the fuck, Scooby?
What is
Real busy driving.
Okay, a monster. Okay, no, ghost. Okay,
Okay.
maybe aliens. No, okay, Warner Brothers, Disney. I don't know. Oh, shit!
Gotta Where did the mist I go?
Holy fuck!
Going? Maybe the treasure is after her.
That guy on drugs or something? He looks like puberty and in my fucking shit. I tweet my shit about him. No, I don't know, but you should respect my authority in this situation, so I kick your ass.
Sports. It's in the game.
Oh my god, I hate this job. I want to quit. Scooby, come
There's
on.
one way you can find out. It's by breaking into his house.
I hate this job.
Oh, I love home invasion.
Oh, I hate this.
You scared cat, you asshole, you stupid.
Oh, I'm not scared. You're just bullshitting me.
Then why you biting Scooby's vortex?
Sorry, Scooby. Have your free X back. That's vortex.
Man. Come on, let's go inside this house and fuck it up because I like trashing places. Whoa, the door's open. Well, let's go in. Yeah, I'm gonna steal this guy's stuff. Oh, my back.
Oh, like man, I hate this job.
Yeah, I don't know why there's a trapdoor, but fuck it. This is
This place looks like
very
shit.
complex lab of some strange laser shit, you know. Oh my god, a door!
Reggie,
Come
What the fuck? Where was my trapdoor?
Oh god, it's a
Who
man.
the fuck are you?
EA Sports. It's in the game.